This is a samosa, arguably one of the best foods in the world. And now I'm going to be adding this to Minecraft. And I'll be showing you how to do it for yourself as well. But before we get started, I just want to thank you all for 500 subscribers. And now let's get straight into the video. The first thing you have to do in order to make samosas in Minecraft is to find a samosa pixel art or make one yourself. For example, how I made this was that I found a pixel art, then I went to the ChatGPT and asked to change the texture since I'm not very good at making pixel arts, unfortunately. Now that that's done, the next thing you want to do is go onto the first link in the description. That will take you to this site called remove.bg. This will remove the background of your samosa texture that you have. Once you've done that, press preview and then download it. Once you've done that, go to the second link in the description. That will take you to a texture pack maker site. Once you're on the site, select the version of Minecraft that you want to make the texture pack for, give the pack a name and a description. Today I'm making a pack for samosas, so I'm going to name it that this pack adds samosas to Minecraft. Now I'm going to upload the texture file that we have for the samosa, and for the item to replace it is going to be a golden apple. So now whenever you have a golden apple in Minecraft, it's instead going to be a samosa. Once you're done, press compile and press download. Now you should have the texture pack ready. All that's left is to open up Minecraft and see if it worked. So here I am in the Minecraft launcher, making sure that I'm on the latest version, otherwise the pack won't work. Now that I'm on Minecraft, it's time to add the texture pack. So first I'm going to press options, then resource packs. Then I'm going to look for the samosa pack and activate it. Now I'm going to open up a new world to see if the pack worked. It worked. As you can see, I now have a fully functional samosa in Minecraft that acts as a golden apple. The best part is, this also works for notch apples. So this is how I added samosas to Minecraft and how you can too. I hope you enjoyed, and please do subscribe if you did.